Google is upgrading your TV, and it's all powered by AI. The company is rolling out new Gemini features on Google TV, designed to make your screen more interactive and helpful. One of the biggest updates is richer visual help. Instead of just giving text answers, Gemini now adapts its responses based on your question, showing things like videos, images, and live information all in one place. For example, if you ask about a recipe, you might get a full video tutorial. If you ask about sports, you'll see live scores and where to watch the game instantly. There's also a new feature called Deep Dives. This lets you explore topics in a much more engaging way with narrated visual breakdowns on subjects like health, technology, or science. Instead of just watching TV, you can now actually learn from it interactively, asking follow-up questions and exploring topics in detail. And for sports fans, Google is adding sports briefs. These are quick, AI-generated updates that give you scores, highlights, and key moments from your favorite teams and leagues without needing to scroll through apps. All of this is part of a bigger shift. Google wants your TV to stop being just a screen and start acting like a smart assistant that helps you discover, learn, and stay updated in real time. This is where smart TVs are heading. We're moving from passive watching to interactive viewing powered by AI. And if this keeps evolving, your TV might soon become one of the smartest devices in your home, not just for entertainment, but for learning too.